Morning yoga people, it's Saturday morning, quick early morning lunge combo before the later morning class today. So start off either in mountain pose or down dog. If you start off in down dog, you lunge forward. Start off in mountain pose, you lunge backwards. Here goes. I'm going to start in down dog. Get down dog first. I'm going to step forward, right foot. Breathing in to high lunge. Breathe out, hands to the chest in a prayer position. Twist to your right over your right knee and place the left arm on the right thigh. Press the hands together. Push the bottom hand into the top hand and the top hand into the bottom hand. Press together and twist your upper body. So we can look to the side through the hands or up towards the sky. Open up the arms. Looking through again or looking up. Rise up and keep the arms straight. Look back towards your right hand. Inhale, back to high lunge. Exhale, hands down, step back to down dog or your tricep dip, up dog and back to down dog. So we'll do that again on the left hand side. So left leg forward, high lunge, breathe in. Breathing out, hands to the chest, twist to the left. Right arm on left knee, press the hands together. Look through, open up if you want to, rise up, looking back towards the left hand. As you inhale, back to high lunge, and exhale, hands down, step back either to down dog or your tricep dip, up dog, then down dog. Might even stick that in the class later. Bye.